Sanbonani Pizangosele, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, let's get to start today. Guys, they always say social media can build and destroy you at the same time. As for Tando, I don't think she's getting anything from the fame yaku social media, guys. I mean, besides being part of Isengani Lengane, that's all. People are making money on social media using their fame. As for Tando, she's been dragged every day by people, guys. So guys, Utando posted this beautiful video. As you can see, she was just walking around, and people in the comment section, they were like, Aibo yekela ukugqoka njengomuntu omdala, guys. Remember Utando, she's 22 years old and she's also a married woman, guys. And that we need to understand ngotando Dlamoka, guys. She doesn't have friends beside abafazi bakade late Dlamoka siyacela father, guys. We have heard her on this podcast saying ukuthi she's spending time nomfazi Dlamoka's first wife umamkhulu, guys, uNdlonkulu. So guys, it makes sense the way she's dressing, guys. I know there are ladies that are married that are younger than Tando, guys. Some are 18 years old, 19 years old, 20, 21. They do dress very good, guys. They are married women, you know, people that could spend time in Tando. But at this time, that Utando, she doesn't have a life outside her marriage, guys. Some of the decision, obviously, when she makes them, she's not aware of them. So guys, it is what it is. But for me, I feel like she did dress well like a married woman, although people felt like she njengomakoko, njengosiyaqela's mamkhulu, Dlamoka's first wife. One thing about people, guys, they will drag you on social media. But anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.